In 2024, a banana taped to a wall sold for $6.2 million. In 2026, someone stole the banana from a museum, and the work was restored the same day with another piece of fruit. That sounds impossible only if you think the fruit is the artwork. Welcome to Art Money. Subscribe for practical artist training. Let's slow the play down and see what the buyer actually purchased. A basketball from a sporting goods store and a game ball from the finals can be physically identical. The difference is the rule system, the event, and the record attached to it. Maurizio Cattelan's Comedian works the same way. Sotheby's described the work as an addition of 3+2 artist proofs, accompanied by a signed certificate. The banana is replaceable. The authorized work is not. Layer 1 is the concept. Cattelan was not asking viewers to admire rare fruit or difficult craft. He was turning an art fair's speed, status, and buying ritual into the subject. That sits in a line running through Duchamp's ready-mades. Context can change what an object means. You do not have to like the move, but if you judge only the grocery item, you are watching the ball and missing the play. Layer 2 is the protocol. A conceptual work needs rules: edition number, installation dimensions, materials, replacement instructions, ownership record, and a certificate that connects the current display to the artist's authorization. When the banana was removed at Centre Pompidou Metz in 2026, reports said staff replaced the perishable element according to the work's instructions. The protocol carried the identity forward. Layer 3 is provenance and context. The auction record traced the work through Perrotin, a private collection, white cube, exhibitions, and extensive public coverage. That chain does not prove artistic quality, but it creates a verifiable history that buyers and institutions can recognize. Think championship resume, teams, dates, footage, and official records. Attention gets people looking. Documentation tells them what they are looking at. Layer 4 is the attention loop. The work became news, was debated, eaten, copied, insured, auctioned, stolen, replaced, and debated again. Each event returned the central question: what exactly has value here? Most viral moments disappear. This one stayed attached to a repeatable concept and a controlled edition. The warning for artists is simple: a stunt without a durable idea is only a stunt. If your work depends on instructions, participation, software, sound, or replaceable materials, build 5 records now: a 1 cent premise, exact display rules, an edition or ownership statement, high-quality documentation, and a preservation plan. Test whether another person can install the work correctly without guessing. This will not create a $6.2 million market. It will make the artwork legible beyond one room in one day. The buyer did not purchase lunch. The buyer purchased an authorized edition, a protocol, a provenance chain, and a place inside a cultural argument. That is why replacing the banana does not replace the work. The deeper reading list is linked below, including ways of seeing, get the picture, and 7 days in the art world. Some links support Art Money at no extra cost. Subscribe, and next we map the market that turns attention into transactions.